Hi everyone, my name is Nick, lead developer at Accounting Add-ons, and today I'll show you how to create a DSN to a Microsoft Access data warehouse created via ODBClink. Now let's get into it. I'm currently in the ODBClink command center, and you'll notice in the top right corner hyperlinks to view both 64-bit and 32-bit DSNs. The process to create a DSN is essentially the same regardless of whether you need 32-bit or 64-bit access. Simply click on the hyperlink and it should bring up the ODBC Data Source Administrator screen from Windows. Alternatively, you can also browse through Administrative Tools to actually set up the data source. Just go to Administrative Tools, Data Sources ODBC, and you're on the same screen. Just remember though that the type of access you get browsing via Administrative Tools is dependent on the version of Windows that you have installed. On a 64-bit machine, it actually provides 64-bit drivers. If you do want to browse manually and you want 32-bit access, you will actually have to go through Windows Explorer instead, go to your Windows folder, SysWow64 folder, and find the ODBC AD32exe. And that actually is the ODBC Data Source Administrator for 32-bit drivers. Now that's the technical and manual approach of doing it, which is why the hyperlinks that we actually provide makes it so much easier. I'll click on the second hyperlink because I want 32-bit access, and I want to choose the System DSN tab. I'll then click on the Add button, find the Microsoft Access driver because I want to connect to an Access data warehouse, and I'll click the Finish button. I'll give my data source a name, in this case ODBClink Demo, and I'll click on the Select button to browse for my data warehouse. Now it's installed on the ODBClink Free Edition folder. I'll choose that. It's inside the System folder where all the data warehouses are by default, and I'll choose my data warehouse, in my case default data warehouse. Just make sure you choose the right one for your case. I'll click OK on that and click OK to close this dialog, and you can see the ODBClink DSN is available. This brings us to the end of the video showing you how to add a DSN to an ODBClink Microsoft Access data warehouse. Finally, if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. I'm sure we can help. Cheers! See ya!